Good morning, Fruitville Pirates, and welcome to FVNN. Today is Monday, the 28th day of March, and today is the 132nd day of school. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jacob.
Now to Arun for the pledges.
Please stand for the pledges.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for the Fruitville Pledge. I can be responsible, respectful, and resourceful with everything I do and say today.
Thanks, Arun.
Now it's time for Science Trivia. The number to call on your screen is 50612. Today we'll be answering caller number 1.
The question is, what type of blood cells fight diseases? Fight off diseases.
Hello, whose class is this?
Miss Oaks,
Who's speaking?
Darren,
Do you have the correct answer?
I think so.
What is it?
White blood cells?
The correct answer is white blood cells.
Now to Chef Savvy. What's for lunch today?
Today we'll be having personal pan pizza, creamy spinach dip, chips, fruit and yogurt platter, steamed zucchini, squash, side salad, applesauce, grapefruit, orange juice. Bon appetit!
Thank you, Chef Savvy. That sounds scrumptious.
Remember, Fruitville Pirates, if you want to be remembered, get your yearbook. You only have 5 days left, and it is only $15.
The AR party is next week. You may get a chance to pie Mr. French in the face.
The recapture program is going on until May 6th, so bring in your caps and lids for millions.
Now for the quote of the day. Today's quote is, "Reading is a discount ticket for everywhere."
Now to Mr. Jaffe for some special announcements.
Good morning, Fruitville, and happy Monday. I'm so glad to be back after the 3-day weekend, and we've got some exciting news. On Thursday, we had a skate night, and Gabriella is going to help me draw the winner. Give it a good shake. Draw the winner of, not sure, we don't know what, but somebody won something, and we're going to find out who. All right, and this is coming from Mrs. Hodges' class, Elam. So congratulations, and we're very excited for you and your wonderful win. All right, thanks, Gabrielle. Would you take this, Jeff? Thanks. All right, and back to Science Monday. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Science Monday with Mr. Jaffe. Today is a great day to think about science. As I walked to the science lab this morning, I was just struck by all the different types of plants I passed on the walk. I saw palmetto, I saw ferns, grasses, and bromeliads like Spanish moss. Put another way, I saw tall plants and short plants. Put another way, I saw plants with defenses like spikes and bark and height. Put another way, I saw some plants we could eat and some plants that would make us quite ill. Put another way, I saw some plants that are immediately useful and some plants that are amazing but not very useful to us. So what's the right way to see plants? Well, it all depends on what you're looking for. All plants turn air and water into food for themselves. Animals depend on plants for food, so we find different ways to organize their differences. One important way we organize plants is by how they reproduce, how we can get more of these different plants. We have 3 major groupings for the different types of plants. There are the plants that reproduce by spores, like mosses and ferns. Sometimes you can even find them on the back. They need water in order to have the different types of cells meet up. There are the plants that reproduce by air, seeded but no flowers, like the conifers, and finally, and these are the ones that we're most familiar with, the plants that reproduce by seeds using flowers. It's an important way to group plants. It's not the only one, but it's a good way to think about how do we get more plants, whether it's by spores, seeds and no flowers, seeds and flowers. I have some garden jokes as we study plants today. Why do potatoes make good detectives? They make good detectives because they keep their eyes peeled. How do trees get on the internet? How can you get a tree on the internet? Well, it's easy. They just log on. They log on. I got one more. I need your help for this, everybody. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Lettuce.
Lettuce who?
Let us in and you'll find out. Have a great day, everyone.
Thanks, Mr. Jaffe.
Art Club meets today.
And Chorus meets today. And thank you for watching another super episode of FVNN. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jacob.
We care. Have a marvelous Monday.
See you tomorrow.